In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital products to Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a downloadable item, set up its details, upload your files, and publish it, or keep it hidden or scheduled right from your Squarespace dashboard. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. From there, click Dashboard to see an overview of your sites. Choose the site you want to work on by selecting Go to Website and then open the main website panel. This brings you into your site's settings where you can manage content and commerce. Next, open Products and Services and then select Products. This is where all your items live. To add something new, click Add Product. Squarespace will ask what type you're creating. Choose Download. This tells Squarespace you're selling a digital file like an ebook, audio pack, template, or artwork. Let's fill in the essentials. Click the product name field and give it a clear, descriptive title, something a shopper will instantly understand. For example, you might name it NFT Artwork, Edition 1, if that matches what you're selling. Then, click Description and write a concise summary of what buyers get. Focus on benefits, formats, and any usage details they should know, like file type or compatibility. Adjust the button text if you want to customize the call to action that appears on your product page. Options like Buy Now or Download can boost clarity. If you need to collect extra information from buyers, like an email for licensing, a preferred file format, or personalization details, open Forms and choose Create New Form. Keep it short to avoid cart abandonment, but do capture any info you truly need to fulfill the order. Now add visuals. Go to Images, then click Add Images and upload high-quality product visuals or mockups. Clear, well-lit images or on-brand graphics help your digital product feel real and valuable. Include at least one main image. Additional images can show previews, sample pages, or usage context. Head to Inventory next. Even though digital products aren't limited by physical stock, you can still add a SKU to help with tracking and reporting. If your digital item has limited editions, you can manage that here through your product options. The most important part for a downloadable product is the file itself. Click Upload File and attach the final deliverable file your customers will receive after purchase. Make sure it's the correct version, labeled clearly, and optimized for size so your customers can download it quickly. If you're delivering multiple files, consider compressing them into a single archive for convenience. Set your pricing by clicking Price. Enter your standard price, and if you're running a promotion, toggle On Sale and set a sale price to display both the original and discounted amounts. This can create a strong value signal for shoppers. Open organization to assign categories and tags. Good organization helps with navigation, filtering, and SEO. Next, select Set up Automated Tax to configure tax settings as needed. Digital products may be taxed differently depending on your region, so it's worth getting this right before you publish. Explore selling tools if you plan to connect the product to discounts or special offers, and open marketing to add SEO titles and descriptions that improve your product's discoverability. Keep this language aligned with the terms your customers actually search for. When everything looks good, click Save to lock in your work. If you're ready to go live, click Publish to make the product visible in your store immediately. Not quite ready? Choose Save as Hidden to keep the product off your storefront while you finalize details or collect assets. You can also use Schedule to set a specific date and time for the product to go live automatically. Great for launches and campaigns. If you decide you no longer need the product, click Delete and confirm by selecting Delete. Keep in mind, this action is permanent, so only remove products you're sure you won't use. That's it. You've created a digital product in Squarespace, complete with images, pricing, a downloadable file, organization, tax settings, and publishing options.